Hello everyone, we will start talking about the Primavera 6 course, and it will be first lesson. It will be about general idea about the Primavera 6. We were talking about how to log into Primavera 6 and about home page, how to change program password, how to change startup windows, and also how to set your language, and about toolbars and how you can use it. So when we start the program, this window will appear. Login to Primavera, and here login name and password. It will be admin also, small letter, and database. If we work in network, we can change it and put it our server to save all data in it. And about password, when we start the program, we can change it, and we will see how to change it. So okay, to start the program, so this is startup windows. It's name home, and it contain enterprise data and the project data. Enterprise data, projects, resources, reports, tracking, and the project data, WBS, activities, and work products and documents. So this is inactive, and when we open a project, it will be active because we deal with projects or open the projects because it's projects data. So when we open a project, it will be active. If we want to change startup windows from edit, user preference, obligation, we can change from startup windows. So we can change startup, and now it's home. And if we want to change the password, from here we can change password, enter new password, verify your new password. And to change language, from tools, set language, we can change language. We have this language available, we choose English. Okay, now we will talk about toolbars. So here title bar, first bar is named title bar. It shows us the project name, but we still did not open any project, so no current project. And here menu bar, file, edit, view, project, enterprise, tools, admin, help, and this is navigator bar. And if you want to show all toolbars from view toolbars, we can show navigator bar bottom text. If you want text here, okay. And this is directory, this navigator toolbar, and this directory bar from view toolbars, directory bar. Or from here we can press right click also to show toolbars. And there is command bar and activity toolbar. Now it's inactive. When we open activity, it will be active, and we will show how to be active. About status bar, this is status bar. It gives us information about portfolio, user, data date. And see here comment bar, now it's active, and this inactive because these icons deal with opened projects, and we still did not open any project. So if you open a project, here projects, open a project. Okay, now it will be active. And about toolbars, there is command bar. This is command bars because now we open activities, so it's now active also. Command bar and activity toolbar, this is activity toolbar. And we will talk about these icons when we talk about activities. And about navigator bar, we can back to home direct from here, or back to opened pages from back and forward. And if we want to back to home, here we can back to home. we talk about now directory bar. This is projects. It show all our projects, and we can now add a new project or delete a project, and some projects come with the program when we install it, and we can add our project also, and we can delete all the projects. So from here we can deal with the projects, and this is show the duration of each project. And we have resources. There's three type of resources: labor, non-labor, and material. And we can add resources, and we'll talk about this in details when we're talking about resources. We have reports. We can make general reports for all projects, or special reports for open project. And there is a lot of type of reports. About the tracking, when we make update and we want to follow our projects to see our budget and duration, we make tracking, and we will talk about this in details when we talk about updating. And this WBS, work breakdown structure, we can add and delete from here, and we can deal with WBS from this page, work breakdown structure. Also have activities. Here's the activities, and this is activity details. From here we can deal with activities, and here duration, and we will talk about this all in details when we talk about activities. Assignment, that resources assignments, resources that assigned to our activity. And we have WPS and documents, work products and documents like approve, checklist, contract, bill of quantity, specifications. We can add from here what you want from documents or project documents. Also expenses, project expenses. So here we can add expenses and deal with expenses. As there is default expenses come with program when we install it, and we can add our expenses also. Thresholds, here we can see thresholds, and issues, if you have issues, to follow it and to see it. And project risks, from here we can see project risks, and if you have delay and priority, normal, top, we can change anything here. And when we talk about this, we will talk about all this icons in details in next lessons. Now we're back to home, and this is the end of this lesson. See you next lessons.